Is she taking a picture?
I'm not taking anything. I'm recording. Don't teach me. Dying down. Oh crap, that was cool and I missed it. I got that. I don't know if you did, but I did.
All I'm keep, even with the light in the background, the thunder, all I'm seeing is this stupid shit.
I got the lightning. Did you get that? Because I didn't. Or at least I don't think I did.
I took that right as it started to flash.
You got it?
But still.
Nothing. Because I missed that one entirely. I'm guessing that would have been pretty.
And I was out there, away from this, and I still got nothing. It don't hurt these cameras to get wet, does it?
I'm worried about mine.
Huh?
They're not waterproof.
That's why.
So I'm covering the buttons to where nothing can get inside it.
That's why I'm covering this one and trying to get a good shot.
See, because I'm recording video, I have to have mine. And I'm just covering the buttons so that nothing will get, no water will get inside the buttons. Of course, it's not helping my vision any because I'm wearing glasses.
If that would've been
I got
perfect.
that one.
That would have been perfect.
I got that one. Starting to hurt.
Yeah, we look like a bunch of idiots standing out here taking a picture.
And in my case, recording video.
What do you call them people?
Storm chasers!
Oh shit, where'd they come from?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. My glasses are so good.